What is up, YouTube? It's been so long since I've said that, and if you've been here for a while, you know. If you're new here and this is your first impression, hi, I'm Kayla. I took a 2-year break off of YouTube for a lot of reasons that I will explain in another video. But today, I'm just leaving the gym, and I want to take you with me throughout the day. And I want to tell you all of the brand new things that are going to be coming to this channel. A lot has changed over the last couple of years. And if you still want to hang out with me, that's awesome. If you're new here, I hope you do want to hang out. Future me will probably film a little bit of an explanation and then insert it in here somewhere. But for right now, I need to run into the store to get a couple of things, and I want to take you guys with me. All right, we're going in the store. It's 100 degrees in Florida, and yes, I have a jacket on because I am sweaty and disgusting and still in gym clothes, and I really don't feel like walking around Walmart like that. What I'm here for is a foam roller because I need one in my old age. I just turned 32 the other day, and today I threw my back out getting out of my car when I was at the gym. So my body's check engine light is very clearly on, and now I need a foam roller, and I'm yoga mat central, but not a single roller in here. Struggle. Oh wait, I found one. I think we're gonna get lucky. Okay. Spiky or not spiky? I'm going spiky because I feel like this will feel really good. That was heavier than I thought it was gonna be. Oh my god. Okay, I got what I was looking for. Now, I kind of want to grab a protein shake, maybe an energy drink, and then I need kiwis. I am going through my very first bodybuilding prep right now, and the meal plan, I'm obsessed with it. I feel like I could eat this every day for the rest of my life, but we'll talk more about that in a little while, though. Maybe in another video, I'll go over all of it with you. Like I said, a lot's changed, and I have a lot of explaining to do. This music they're playing in here right now is wild. I want to go by the supplement aisle here though and see something just because I'm curious if they have a brand I really like here. Why do I feel like their shelves are barren? Why out of everything? I know it doesn't look like it right now, but it feels like it. Well, I don't think I'm getting lucky with that today. Yo, what I just found. I'm so excited. Now they have First Form at Walmart now. Okay, we're getting a blue one. This flavor, if you've never had it, freaking fantastic. Okay, let's get out of here. The way I'm so excited for this right now, I didn't even know they had these in Walmart. My life is complete today. All right, so let's talk a little bit more exactly about what all is happening right now. So if you're new here or if you've been following me, you may or may not know that I was diagnosed with PCOS a long time ago, about almost 10 years ago now. And I've had 3 kids, but in between all of that and before having kids, I've always been someone who is very big into the gym. I used to make travel content on here, but in between that, I talked a lot about my health journey, a lot about my fitness journey, and I would really love that to be what this channel is dedicated to now, because truly, that's my life. I gave up working for Disney. I had a really bad time there. I had a lot of bad experiences, and I completely removed myself from that, which is what caused a lot of this break on YouTube. There was just so much going on in my life, so much going on with family, so much going on with my job. Everything is different now. I feel like a completely different person, and I took a break off YouTube. I took a break off Instagram. I took a break off Facebook, everything. I just disappeared for the last 2 years, especially off of here. It's been a long time coming, and I feel like if you saw any of my last videos before I got rid of them, you can probably see in the videos that, like, clearly I was not doing good. I felt like it was showing physically. I feel like it was showing mentally. And for the last 2 years, I have been back into the gym full time. And I'm so in love. I'm so in love. And I'm to the point in my life over the last like 10 years of lifting where I have done so much research and have just gained so much education and knowledge on health, on fitness, on managing my PCOS. I have been helping people, try to manage theirs. And this is a space that I really see myself in. This is a space that I really want to be in, a direction that I'm going in. And I want to bring you guys along with me for all of it. So what that means for this channel and what's coming up is more vlogs, more videos talking about, exercise. We're going to be talking about supplements. What's in my gym bag? What do you need? What clothes are we wearing to the gym now? What are we doing? And the biggest thing going on in my life right now, prep for bodybuilding. I'm competing this year for the first time in NPC Bikini bodybuilding competition. And I have recently started going through prep. I was in a build phase for a while. I'm still kind of in a build phase. I have a coach that I'm working with. I am working with an IFBB pro as my posing coach. I am beyond excited. So what I want to do, I want to take you through that whole thing with me. If this is your first time going through a prep, or if you just want some motivation, or if you just want to follow along and watch, cool, please subscribe. I am so excited to bring you along with me. I'm thinking maybe you can come to posing class with me. We'll do some practice together. We're going to talk about meal plans and meal prepping and everything we're taking and doing. And I am just lit up with excitement. I'm honestly just so excited to be back in this space. Truly. And a lot of you on here I know also follow me on TikTok. If you've been following me on TikTok, you probably know all of this. And if you're not following me on TikTok, please do. I have so much stuff there. And maybe I can bring some of that over to YouTube in the shorts or wherever, and we can put that there. But I've been feeling myself wanting to do a lot more long form content, and I really just miss the platform as a whole. So I'm really glad to be back, and I'm glad to have you with me, and I'm glad to be doing all of this. So with all of that being said, okay, this is the first of many more videos to continue to come. I'm very excited to be back. I feel like I'm reconnecting with an old friend right now, and there's a lot of emotions flowing through me, and you might think this is so weird, but for me, this is kind of an emotional time. It's been a hell of a ride. It has been a roller coaster. There's so much work that needs to be done, so much work that I need to do here to kind of get things back on track. I took so hard of a break and I deleted everything to the point where my channel's not even monetized anymore. And I'm okay with that right now. So we're doing all this for the love of the game. And eventually I would really, really love to bring this community back, this sense of community that I felt from this for so long before. And I want to have that back. I want to be your big sister, somebody you can come to and talk to. And, if you do ever feel like you need that person, please let it be me. I'm so happy to be that person here for you. And again, if you're a girl who is just going through this, or if you have ever had struggles or anything, like I said, we're going to go through everything. But this is the first of many. So here's what's happening today. I left the gym. Today was glute day. So I went through my glute routine exercise plan today. My brain, I haven't eaten yet today, and it's almost noon. I'm only surviving off of my pre-workout snack. I really need to go eat because I can feel my brain is getting very foggy right now, which is what the caffeine was for. So thank you, caffeine, for that. I need to go home and roll my muscles out. I am sore today for the first time in a long time. I don't feel like I'm normally sore from my workouts, but I'm on my period, and my last glute and quad day, I feel like I went for it, even though being on my period, I was like, maybe I shouldn't do this, maybe I should go lighter, but I was like, screw it, I'm gonna do it anyway. And I did, and I'm still sore from it 2 days later. So I'm just gonna go roll out. I got a foam roller and I got a couple of other things. We're gonna go do that, and then I have to work later. That's not exciting, so I'm not gonna take you to work with me, but okay, we'll go through the rest of the day, and you know, maybe we'll even, I don't know. I had no plans for this vlog today other than I just wanted to like come back. I needed to do something. I need to be like, here we are, we're back. And if I don't do it now, I feel like I'm never going to. So you guys are just hanging out with me right now. I had this little car tripod too, and you guys are sitting on my dash. And when I was trying to put it up, it's like a suction cup one on my windshield, it broke. And I was like, oh, that's really great. So I need to get a new one, clearly. But let's go home. We're going to eat some breakfast, which really it's lunchtime, but I need to eat. I'm so hungry. We need to eat some breakfast, and then we'll go through a little bit more. I'm so excited to be back. I'm so excited to be here. So I hope you're just as excited. Let's go. Okay, so breakfast on current meal plan right now is we have 170 grams of plain non-fat Greek yogurt mixed with 100 grams of blueberries, and then I have 40 grams of oats with 16 grams of organic natural peanut butter, and I put cinnamon in it, and it's really good. I have not had anything taken away yet, like artificial sweeteners or anything, so I did add a little Splenda to both because I feel like it takes away the little bitter taste, but I know that eventually that's going to come. But as of right now, I am trying to enjoy that stuff while I can. All right, and now after breakfast, we are outside getting the rest of our steps in since I do have to work later today. I want to make sure that I get them in so that way later I don't have to worry about it anymore. So right now I'm working, and I realized after the fact that I showed you all breakfast, and meal plan right now is like a lot of little meals because we were doing like a whole body recomp. So my calories are higher right now than they will be later on. In about 4 weeks, actually, I am going to start cutting. But I realized after that I did not show you guys lunch, but I have more of these in the fridge so I can show you one, but it's literally just chicken, rice, and broccoli. It's just chicken rice. It's not that exciting. It's just chicken rice and broccoli, but I do have a sauce that I like to put on my chicken rice and broccoli. So it's I think it's called like Melinda's truffle sauce. It's 0 calorie, and it's like so good. It's like a not so spicy hot sauce. Really, really good. You should try it. I will find it and show it to you. I need to go get more. I ran out today. Right now, I am 21 weeks out from my show. So my show is in November. It is the first week of July. It's actually July 1st at the time that I am filming this. And there are a lot of things that still need to be done. There's a lot of practice to be had. So I had my very first session with my posing coach on June 16th. So the day after my birthday. And she gave me quite a bit of feedback. I am so bad at posing right now. So we're going to go through and kind of like, I guess over the weeks, I want to post more of the progress with that just to kind of like hold myself accountable and see where we're at with posing. And a big tip that I have, if you are going through prep for the first time, is buy your heels early, like early on, whether you're buying them from Shoe Fairy or whatever. I personally went cheap and I got them on Amazon for like $50, and I will link them if you guys are looking for like a pair of show heels. I got mine on Amazon. They're actually pretty comfortable. I walk around in them for a few hours every day. And yes, I said a few hours because you want to break them in. You want to get used to it because on show day, you're going to be in them like all day. So you want to get used to that. So I've been walking around in them. This is what mine look like. Like I said, they are from Amazon. They look identical to the ones that you get from Shoe Fairy, just like a third of the price. They're not blingy though. If you want blingy, like you might want to get them from Shoe Fairy, but like I'm not necessarily looking for blingy. Like the suit and all of that is blingy enough. So what I like to do when I'm working is I work from home. So I put my desk up and I will put my heels on and I'll just like pace around the room in my heels. Maybe I'll hit a couple poses, you know, in between doing what I'm doing. And there's a couple of other things, like I have been journaling recently. I am actually going to make an entire video about that. I have a lot of videos that I want to do coming up about certain things, certain rules that I have implemented for myself in this prep, and maybe they would be good for you to follow too. Bodybuilding prep is a huge mental game, and a lot of it, to me, I think from all the research I've done, is more mental, like mentally straining than physically straining. Obviously, it's an extreme sport. It's very difficult, but if your mind is not right, nothing else is going to be right. So I have ways that I have found that are going to keep me on track, that are keeping me on track, that are going to keep me like mentally sane as well as physically healthy. And like I said, I don't want to make this video too long. So many things are coming. If you want to see it, subscribe, please subscribe. So here's what to expect in the future. Okay. I'm going to do weekly videos, either 1 or 2 a week right now. If there happens to be more, then there happens to be more. But my goal right now is at least 1 a week. If I can do that, then I'm happy. You know, whether that be a vlog video or an answering questions video or just an educational video, that is going to be what is to come. So I want to get that on a schedule. I don't know what day of the week we're going to be releasing just yet. I'm thinking probably Wednesdays because that is a slower day for me. Hence, I'm filming this on a Wednesday. So maybe I'll start putting them out on Wednesdays, or maybe I'll film Wednesdays, put it out on Thursday or Friday. So let me know what you personally think is the best day to post. If you're watching this, put it in the comments so that way I know like when is a good time for you to want to watch a video. If it's during the week, if it's on the weekend, however you want to do it, we'll do it. And then we can go through all the fun stuff. I have so much planned. Like I said, I'm just super excited to be back. So this video is more just like a introduction. Welcome back. Here's what to expect. And let's go. So for now, okay, this is really what I want to do. And I think I'm going to end the video here just because it's a lot in one video to just say, hey, we're back. You know, and it's a lot to absorb for me. It might not be for you, but it is for me right now. So I want to start fresh tomorrow, get things moving, get things going, and get some really good content out there for you guys. I do hope that you decide to join along. Please give this video a like. It would really help me out. And if you're new here and you want to stick around, or you're going through a bodybuilding prep and you just want a friend to go through it with, subscribe. Let me know. We can go through the suck together and it'll be great. But with all of that being said, thank you deeply so much for being here. I am so excited to be back, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.